Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to change how PDFs open on your Android phone, there's a simple way to do it. Whether you want to switch to a different PDF viewer or reset the default option, I'll walk you through the process step by step. When you open a PDF file from your file manager, your phone should ask you which app you want to use. If you want to set a specific app as the default, just tap Always instead of just once when selecting the app. This way, every time you open a PDF, it will automatically launch in the app you chose. But if that option doesn't show up anymore and you're stuck with an app you no longer want to use, here's how to fix it. Go to Settings and Open Apps or App Management. From there, find the section called Default Apps or Manage App Preferences. Scroll down to locate the current default PDF viewer and tap on it. Alright, inside the settings, look for the Open by Default option and then tap Clear Defaults. This will remove the current app as the default, so the next time you open a PDF, your phone will ask you to select a new app. If you open a PDF file and still don't get a prompt to pick a new app, go back into the default apps settings and manually select the preferred PDF viewer from the list. Some devices may require you to go into the app info section of the PDF viewer app and remove it as the default from there. And that's it. Now you know how to change your PDF opening settings on Android and set the app you prefer. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.